Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone, this is iSuperTech and myself Akib, and today I will unbox Xiaomi Mi A1. So guys, this is the quick unboxing video, and guys, let's start it. Here is the specification of Mi A1 phone. It has IPS LCD display 5.5 inch and which is full HD and density of 403 ppi density and 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM, and it also support SD card 120GB, and it also support dual SIM card slot, and it has also better camera like dual 12 megapixel camera, and which is similar of iPhone 7 or iPhone 8 Plus. And guys, this also shoot 4K video, and guys, front camera is 5 megapixel and 1080p. The price of the Xiaomi A1 phone is $196 on Amazon. Xiaomi's reputation for good phones at budget prices. Xiaomi's Mi A1 is very good phone in budget, as well as it also developed Android One program. The best thing of this phone is you are getting exactly Google Pixel or the Google stock Android version. For the benefits of Android stock version is getting always up to date. Suppose Google just released a new version at this moment, so you will able to update at the same time your phone. So first of all, you will get the actual phone, then you will get the screen protector, which is provided Xiaomi branded, and they also provide USB-C cable, and they also support fast charging, Xiaomi fast charging, and this is the power brick, and it looks like heavy, and this is the first charger, and this is the USB-C cable. And Xiaomi never provide headphone with phones. So guys, here is the actual phone, and it looks like amazing, and I really like this phone, and especially for dual camera, and the camera is good, and it also take 4K, so I don't have to worry about the camera quality. And I will do quick comparison video iPhone 7 Plus camera versus Xiaomi Mi A1 camera. So guys, make sure subscribe this channel, and guys, that's all about this video. And if you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe this channel, and guys, see you the next video. Peace.